Nike is one of the biggest names in the sportswear industry, but is its stock still a slam dunk for investors? With market volatility, rising competition, and shifting consumer trends, is Nike still a buy in 2025? In today's video, we'll break down the latest insights on Nike stock, its financial performance, key risks, and future potential. Whether you're a long-term investor or just curious about the company's trajectory, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this deep dive. Nike stock performance and market position. Nike has been a dominant force in the sports apparel industry for decades, leading the market with its strong brand loyalty, innovative products, and global reach. Despite recent market fluctuations, Nike remains a key player in the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Over the past year, Nike stock has experienced ups and downs, influenced by supply chain disruptions, inflation concerns, and shifts in consumer spending. However, the company has maintained steady revenue growth, largely driven by its digital transformation and direct-to-consumer strategy. Nike's stock price is currently trading around, reflecting a change year over year. But is it still a buy? Let's dive deeper. Nike's financials and recent earnings reports. Nike's latest earnings report shows revenue growth. Nike generated in the most recent quarter, marking an increase or decrease from last year. Profit margins. The company reported a net income of, reflecting strong cost management despite rising production costs. Earnings per share. Nike's EPS stands at, meeting or missing Wall Street estimates. A key takeaway from Nike's earnings is its growth in the DTC segment. While wholesale revenues have been steady, Nike's Nike.com and Seekers app sales have skyrocketed, proving that digital innovation remains at the heart of the company's strategy. Key growth drivers for Nike stock. Given Nike's strong brand, financial stability, and commitment to innovation, many analysts remain optimistic about its long-term potential. However, in the short term, the stock may face headwinds due to macroeconomic factors. So, do you buy Nike stock? If you're a long-term investor with patience, Nike remains a solid blue-chip stock with growth potential. However, short-term traders should be cautious and watch for market trends before making a move. Nike remains a powerhouse in the sportswear industry, but the stock's future depends on how well the company adapts to changing market conditions. Are you bullish or bearish on Nike stock? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth stock market insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.